Service Franklin Electric products in more ways with FE Connect. This app, designed to save time during installation and service, allows you to pair compatible Franklin Electric drives and protections for simple startup, monitor live system performance, and unlock full view logs and reporting for advanced configurations and troubleshooting. Let's walk through how to download FE Connect, pair products, and manage your installations with this app. Download FE Connect from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. For best app performance, make sure you have the latest version of this app installed and stay within 15 feet of the product when using Bluetooth. If your product has dip switches, ensure the product settings disable dip switch control and that mobile app programming overrides any manual dip switch settings before adding a device. To begin Bluetooth connection, select Add Device from the home screen. On the Add Device screen, tap either Scan QR code or Manual. If you're using the scanning tool, center the QR code on the unit on the screen. For help locating the product's QR code, visit the Help section on the product screen. If you're manually entering the Bluetooth key, enter the key on screen. The key is located on the QR code screen. Once the Bluetooth is connected to the product, enter a name and location to identify the drive within the app. Last, tap Save to complete the connection. To communicate with the device that has already been paired with the app, on the Device Manager screen, tap Connect next to the product's name. Make sure the product is powered on and within range. If the button does not turn green, the unit is not detected. Once the product is successfully connected, you will enter the dashboard. Tap Setup to change system settings. Tap the Menu button for a list of additional options. Only one mobile device can be connected to a product at any given time. Tap Disconnect to disconnect from the drive. Thanks for watching.